EVP, we got members, West on 401. We got a lot more gang, but there's more to come. You gotta pop that ass till the morning come. You want shots for the girl, damn, order some. Who's calling that? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who's calling that shit? Who? Hey. Is it Stacy? Is it Becky? Is it Keisha? Is it Ashley? Was it Danny? Is it Party? What's the function? Where the fuck the function? Where the fuck the function? Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shake and dance in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah. Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma at you like bless me. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me. Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl.
Hi guys. Yeah. We're back and we're going to Universal. I can't wait. Yeah, people trying to act cool. We're at the train station right now. It's 8:49. We're outfit check. So sweats from Ross. This from my birthday. I don't know where I got it from. And this Winnie the Pooh from Tokyo. My bag from Amazon.
Ross, what?
And my Apple headphones from Apple and my phone from Apple and my Rubik's Cube.
Okay, anyways.
Okay. Outfit. Got these pants from my closet. This tank top, backpack, Amazon. Headphones, Apple.
Ooh.
And a hoodie, blanket, fanny pack. Thank you. Bye bye. On my phone. Apple 15, 14, yeah. I got my little PJ. I got from Amazon.
Okay.
Crocs got from Crocs. I actually got from
London, right?
London. Yeah.
Right. Fit check.
What?
Fit check.
What is that?
Just
Bro,
like show your
outfit.
fit.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, he don't know how to do this. we gonna teach him the proper way real soon.
30-inch bundles.
30-inch bust
My
down.
scalp.
Yes.
Ooh.
Jacket.
Okay.
Santorini. Yes.
Brown
T.
shirt from my aunt.
Okay.
These pants from Ross.
Yes.
Shoes.
Ooh.
Converse.
Okay.
Rings. Forever 21 before they closed.
Yes.
And this T-ness from
you.
her mother.
From her.
She said my
Yes. Noah, fit check.
I know you want her.
Where'd you get this from? Probably Walmart. Onesie, Costco, Crocs, long hair, his scalp. That binky, too big for him.
Scoot up.
Which way are we going?
This way.
Okay, go.
This way? Wait, let's stay. Wait.
Bro, stay.
You gotta back up, bro.
Let's see if we look goofy.
So follow the TikTok to see the TikTok. This is Malik's size of his back. I just measured it.
What do you have to say about that?
What?
This is your size. He just admitted that he's a big back.
For what?
He just admitted that. I just checked.
Why were you behind me?
I was checking the size because you just said 5 noodles.
Yeah, it's a snack.
Wow. Guys,
Everyone? One noodle fills me up.
Right. Demir, everyone right now? 5 noodles. Oh, cutesy. Hold on. Cutesy. Arigato.
Oh, she cute.
Go ahead, Bryce. Yes. This lighting is so good right here. Right. Edit yourself.
Oh, she feel cute. This is.
Hey. What?
Who is this? The Disney.
Oh,
That's just me.
Can I watch you flip? What in the world?
No, you cannot.
You'll see.
Oh, you're trying to mess up my vlog.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Alright, you know what? Bet.
Oh, okay. So if you guys don't get content, just know it's because Malik over here playing. Right.
Alright, bet.
Hi guys. Knock it over again. Do it again.
I didn't do it.
No, I promise he doing that. I promise.
I'm not making this up.
No, I'm trying to do blue.
Aren't you supposed to make a triangle first and then go to the corner?
Bro, here y'all. Just let me PT.
You're right. I'll let you do that.
Right.
Yeah, I think that clocker. You solve it. You started at like. So you did that.
Bro, where's it at? Wait a minute.
Did you solve it tomorrow? No.
Give me a minute.
She thinks she knows.
You know what? Since Bryce knows, let's let her.
Bro, I don't remember how to solve it. I only remember those two steps. I
Okay,
promise.
so go ahead.
No, you do it. No.
Not that.
No, do it. Cause you know
You want to talk about what I'm not doing?
Bro,
do it.
because-
Do it. Watch. You put this in time lapse. Don't take her all night. If she even get it. She's trying to club. Bro. She just trying to get it somewhere. I got there too.
No, you didn't.
I literally had one blue left.
You did actually, right?
When you get there, that's when it counts. Right. And it's over.
I don't remember how to solve it.
It's Miss Zion's Queendom trying to solve it. She's trying to hide. Don't hide.
I got this far. I don't think I can.
Are you doing white?
Yeah.
Oh, you redid your nails. Did you? Oh, why are you hiding them? What's that about? I'm not bad at building this. Cause I'm on mobile. Like,
Yeah, that's easy.
no, it's not. No, cause on console I can be like, but on mobile I have to build. You have to be like, and it's crazy.
You press the things you want.
No, you don't.
It's
no,
so much easier.
you don't know how it is.
Yes, I do. I played Fortnite on mobile. It's so much easier.
Are you okay? You're stressing. What happened? Do you suck?
Oh yeah, I suck.
My Fortnite career.
Wait, Malik, did you accept my request?
Oh no. Sorry.
We need squad up.
Because I didn't download on my phone. 'Cause
Don't. Bro, like 20 gigabytes. Like,
I can delete apps.
I need to join you.
you would delete apps for Fortnite on your phone.
I mean, it's not like.
It's not that serious.
Yeah.
Wait, Imar, am I better than Malik?
No.
I
Girl,
suck.
no, because
she's
when
better.
I invited you,
I can build.
you were all the way over here, the team over
Because
here.
I
You
wasn't
all the way
paying
over there doing
attention.
something different. Bryce, people will mistake you for a bot. Byron's actually good. He's better than me.
Yeah, I know.
My friend was like,
You know he better
I know
than
this,
me.
yep.
What?
I know.
That can't be true.
Imar, my friend was like, dang, is this a bot? To Bryce.
I always
And they had Marceline. I really want Marceline.
Is she the vampire one?
Yeah. She's so
Wait, in the
emo,
battle
she-
pass?
We twinning.
In the battle pass?
Edit this, Imar.
In the battle pass? Imar, you're not going to battle pass.
Is he getting second anniversary of my
In the
teenies?
battle pass.
You look like Rakai.
Bro, you got a perm. That's why I look straight and burnt.
Imara, tell me why they're trying to get Embry and Aiden together now.
I know.
3, 2, 1.
Wait, is it me?
No, it's me. 3.
Oh Lord. Quick break, guys. Be back after commercial.
3,
2.
2, 1. Ew, stop.
I know, cause now I'm aware of it, but
Yeah, you're aware of it.
it's like,
Oh Lord.
anyways, now you're trying to clock me. It's not gonna happen.
So this is what it's giving, guys. Imar is giving all proper, and Malik is giving nonchalant and barely even putting his hand up. Why are you squeaking like a mouse?
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Got him.
Oh, how do you feel about that, Imara?
I feel like it was rigged because, like, what other way would I go?
Right.
Yeah,
How do you feel about that?
You
that
had
you just
2
did
ways. It's a 50-50.
That? Malik, how do you feel about that?
She's making excuses.
Yay!
Okay, I need to win because I have a good emo to do.
Round two.
Emo is crazy. Watch.
Ooh, what was that?
Redo.
Whole neck crack. track.
3, 2, 1. Wait, okay.
Alright.
2, 1. Wait, 3, 2.
Alright, come on.
3, 2, 1.
Damn. You got it.
3, 2, 1. Right, 3, 2, 1.
No.
Oh! She put that. No, let's say I went up.
No, you don't.
Play the footage back. Play the footage back.
Put that. No, let's say I went up.
Literally went like that. How's that up?
Because my arm, like.
Now get out.
It glitched. Her arm glitched. Ooh, that was a close call, Mara.
Bro, no, he didn't hit it, right?
Ah, this is it. Alright, redo it. Come on. Down, up, and then alright, back. 3, 2, 1. You son of a.
I don't think that dog, you know that dog meme? Guys, the train's appearing. Hi. What's your international one back there?
I'm not going to train, y'all.
Because he just got clogged. By the way, you always blame what you do on other people. Guys, we're about to get our tickets. We got our buddy. Malik crying when I say he's my partner. Like, he got it.
I'm hungry.
Oh, so cute.
I ate.
Skinny. I'm going to hear that live, guys. Okay, buddy. Go first. All right. Hey, manners, let's go. The stairs are skinny, like Japan. Yeah.
So where's it?
Biggie. Can we get to the seats?
I'm trying to see where I can walk, man.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. We're on the train and Malik is... Look at his big self. He might get here. He big.
We found it.
Oh, it's not 11 yet.
But it's only 10:36.
We'll return at 12. Wait, no, 6 a.m.
Hungry, bro. That's 6, that's what we're gonna ride.
I know. They're closed, Mom. But look, guys, we should watch the sunset right here. It's so pretty.
You mean sunrise?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
No, we're not. That was it. Malik was too happy. Now he was sad and depressed. Yeah.
No, literally, once I saw this, I'm like, I can't even get nothing to eat, bro.
Delicious laugh.
Like Barack Obama. I need at least a piece of chicken. I don't know, that steak.
Do you want to come back here?
Yeah, but like some food.
He hungry and he not getting no food.
Yeah.
The quality is so bad. I'm trying to be tea and cute. While Malik is sad that he has no snacks. Oh no.
Oh, no. Put that on YouTube.
I promise it's going on. Anyways, guys, he doesn't have snacks, but I'm generous and I'm kind. I'm gonna have to tell him about a drink. But he can have some of my good barbecue lax.
Oh, yeah, they're really gone.
Oh, they won't. What's that smirk? What? I got sour patches too.
Oh, yeah, those are gonna be gone too.
Oh, and I have Mamba. Guys, you can't really see, but right now I'm with
We're giving to charity. We're giving to charity.
yeah, we're giving to charity.
This is a reminder to be a good citizen.
We're giving to Malik. First, Bryce is giving him these orange strips, and Zion, let's see what she's giving back. He got none. And you're thirsty, like,
She's crazy.
here. Okay, so I'm giving you charity. I'm giving. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, y'all booked it.
I'm grateful, but I'm
I'll take one. Go ahead. Thank you. I got some Nerds Plus.
When I was in Florida, I had an addiction to these. Nerds sponsor me. I love these.
Obviously, addiction's still there. this wipe that Malik just gave me. I don't know if you're trying to say I'm dirty, but stacks.
Sunnies for the dark.
She cute. Who go next?
So I got Vaseline, Audra Pringles Remember that one video she put me on. I got some sorry belts I just fell out. I got a little big earring. I got my headphones, my phone. That's all. Oh, I have Arizona half-pack sweet tea. Munchies. There's some clusters. Addiction munchies. And that's it.
What are you bringing? What did you bring to the function?
What?
What did you bring?
My clothes.
Right, and that phone. Right. It's always that phone.
I know. And smart.
She got it off of my service, yeah. Mind you, nothing was that laughable. Oh, you can hear me?
Who she think she is?
Bro, I think I'm the tea queen. Show them why you're dancing. Show that. Show that.
Are we just watching food? What is that? Potato?
Who did?
Oh, steak potato. That was good.
Who do you think is gonna eat the most at Universal? I feel like Malik, based on this energy.
Here goes Malik, you, Zion, Michael. Bro, Michael's only even. This Korean drama, need to watch. Need to put on the top 10 watch list. So good so far. All the episodes haven't came out yet, but so good.
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy they pour when I'm thinking about you. Ooh, no, I've been thinking about you. You, no, I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you? Or do you not think so far? Cause I've been thinking about forever. Or do you not think so far?
Guys, we're still playing Uno. 30 minutes later, it's a YouTube video.
That's his favorite business.
Uno is getting to a point.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, too. Oh, wow, she looked at her cards. It's crazy. Wow.
Play football? Huh? You play football? I did.
I play football.
Somebody do it. You want a cookie?
I want a cookie.
I want a cookie.
I want a chocolate chunk cookie.
That's your favorite?
Bro, do you like crumble?
That's your favorite?
Jordan, what's happening? Nasty. It was like a cake. Hi, Bob. What's up? What's up? Oh, what's up, raspberries? That was nasty. Wait, I go.
Whose turn is it? It's my turn?
Are you nasty? Oh, you feel good, bro. Take your bitch.
Stretch is like so easy. I was just in on that table.
He was just kidding on the table. And you put your shoe on the table? You know, shoes on the table.
I don't know what that game is.
What is it?
It's the game of concentration. No.
Oh.
Wait. Oh, who the oldest?
Me. No, you're 17.
I'm also.
Yeah.
Oh, twinsies. I know. Wait. Did you turn 17 this year?
That's true.
Oh.
I turned
Wait, when's your birthday?
in November.
When's your birthday?
6.
I'm 1 day older.
She's one that ordered because of the fifth. Oh, it's November 19th. Sit down.
That is crazy.
You're older by 1 day.
That is crazy.
I have a friend born November 19th.
No one cares. Don't even talk. That is crazy.
Why is he cop?
Oh.
Oh, why you just 10, 12.
Come on, cards. Go ahead. You got it.
It's giving WWE.
Why you slam that boy like that?
That's not good. Wait, that's what?
I will never put my hands on the female.
As y'all seen, he was fighting.
He was fighting people. What were you fighting for?
Cartwheel. Bro.
I need him to watch that.
Right, sit down. We're not going to talk about the platforms I'm wearing. We're not.
Go.
So embarrassing.
Going, Mara. Yes. Oh. Right.
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy.
Animal out in the wild. Imara Star is sleeping.
Guys, so Imara's stacks are empty, and why did I just see a chip on the floor? It's her chip. Nah, she a bum. Girl, yes it is.
4:06 right now.
Yeah. What they got going on? But yeah. Was she cute? Oh. Yeah. Yeah.
I promise your car. I promise. What's on stage? Remember that one time I was like,
Yeah. No. She I said,
I'm something smart. Yeah, something goofy and smart.
and then she read the terror vote.
squeak, 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 squeak.
Y'all look dumb.
Rat?
No.
The other one, the other one,
No.
the other one.
No.
The other one. Mouse? Yes.
Yep.
Yes. A bird?
Yeah.
Yeah, what type?
It's like crow, eagle.
It'll wait
No.
for the death. It waits for the death of. I mean, not. It's like.
Crow?
No.
Eagle. Hawk.
Close.
Bro, that's all I know.
Bro. Oh.
Walrus?
The other one.
Whale?
Yes.
Yes.
Chicken.
Yes.
Make that sound. Rooster?
No.
Oh, falcon.
Well, how she instantly knew what she was on.
Yo, like, what else?
Hey, someone's taking the whole trip.
Mix?
Pig.
Yep.
Yeah.
I'm doing down.
What do you call it? A beaver?
Yes.
Beaver?
Yeah.
Bro,
Bye. So look at that other way.
Woodpecker? Alligator?
Yeah.
Yep.
That was good.
A sheep? A goat?
No. Oh, shit. Yeah. Oh, shit. And then it rhymes with cantaloupe.
Cantaloupe? No,
Yeah.
I don't know
No.
what that is.
Wait, what is that?
Oh my god.
Crab?
Seafood boil.
Shrimp?
Seafood boil.
Lobster.
Waffle. Stuffed peppers.
Dump it up? Wait, dump it up or down? Go up. Okay.
Beans.
Oh, I have to guess that.
Bryce, you gotta guess. Oh, stop saying this. Noodles.
No.
Spaghetti. Skip. Soup. Skip. Oh, I meant
Oh.
tortilla.
No.
Tortilla. Tacos.
Close.
Burrito.
No. Close.
Burrito.
Cheese. Tortilla.
Yeah.
Come on. Oh.
You can't guess.
Bro, we can't get food.
No.
This is too hard.
How do we act out food?
How do we do parsley?
Oh.
Why?
What? Yeah, skip it.
Oh wait, what is this?
Emotions and feelings.
Oh.
Like,
Enthusiastic.
what? I can't do this. Skip that. Skip that.
Confused. Sorry. Sad. Sad. Oh. Praying. Sleepy. Oh, grieving.
Yeah.
Begging.
The other one.
Give it to me, please.
That's what.
Oh, surprise. Oh, miserable.
Something like that. Something like this. Something like that. Something like that. Oh, okay. She was ready.
Impossible. Yeah, I never. Oh, desperate. Okay.
Yeah.
Shame. Alright.
That was funny. That was
That
good.
was a good one. That was a good one.
Huh? Hey, you said that, and I was like, no, the other one. On my hands, no.
Go.
Everything is big. Let me put my hand.
I don't know what to do. I'm
Oh,
cold.
close.
Go ahead. Inside out feeling. Pink.
Oh, Iman. I don't know.
Hey, it's alright. Hey, it's alright.
Okay, come on.
No, it's alright.
It's alright. I accept.
Like, you good.
We
Come
go.
on.
I accept your.
Like, oh yeah, you shot my grandma, but it's fine.
I accept your
No.
apology.
No. Wait.
I accept your apology.
Dang it, I can't do this, bro.
Oh, no. I thought you said you can't act.
Yeah, that's weird.
Oh, sorry, I didn't mean to like do that. This is a game of concentration, no repeats, and hesitation. Category is. Actually, yeah, cars. BMW.
Oh, Tesla, Ford, Mercedes-Benz, G-Wagon.
Oh my gosh.
Corvette.
I'm out. Yeah. I can't.
He'll play.
You wanna play? Okay.
They play at constipation. I mean,
Yo.
they play at concentration. No,
Go, Zion.
it's so cringy. You stand behind me, I protect you. You stand. Hold on, let me finish.
I'm
bro.
sorry, I'm loud.
You stand behind me, I protect you. You stand beside me.
Besides me? You sound like Jalea. Besides me?
Boom, boom, boom. Like,
Is that you? Okay.
Page overload.
Okay, guys, we're off of the train, and here's everybody's fit. But we had to get ready in the train bathrooms. Mind you, this is LA, so the bathrooms are disgusting. So that's why I didn't record my get ready with me in the bathroom. But I'm still cute and sweet, and you'll see that full fit check in a minute. We got here at 6, and Universal wasn't open till 10. So say hello. Maya wants to say hi to the vlog, guys. Everybody say hi, Maya, in the comments. Anyways, I tried to get as sweet as I possibly could. Exactly. Show them. Yep. Lots. They always somewhere beefing. Like, what's that about?
Being what? What did you say?
They're always somewhere beefing.
I'm not beefing. I'm just trying to tell them.
And he don't care. Okay, guys, bye. Okay, where are we going?
Subway.
I'm hungry. We're going to Subway. Malik is already there. He's already there, looking a little bit knock-kneed and all of that. Yeah. So, I think I may get Starbucks because I cannot be dehydrated. I don't know. Bopping his head, happy looking at that menu.
Yes, I am.
Yeah.
Bro, try to wait till Disney World.
This one's slanted.
I know.
Oh no. Okay. Malik just tried to stop the camera from recording. He's an odd. If there's no footage for this video, no, it's because Malik went on my phone when I was sleeping and deleted all the footage.
Get out.
Really bar girl.
Yep, it's giving, Betty. First purchase of the day, guys. Water for $3.27. That's my drink, guys. That good caramel raisin crunch. Okay, guys, we're gonna do a tiredness scale. Hold on. Okay, guys, we're gonna do a tiredness scale. Right now, I think I'm like a 4. I'm like 3.
Hey, I got food, so I'm a 0.
Yeah, he was smiling, laughing with us and everything. Like, it's so crazy what food can do to you.
Like,
I'm a low. I'm a 2. How tired are you? A little bit. 8. Ooh, she's tired.
how tired are you? 0.
Right. Guys, I'm still stuck on this $327 water.
$3 for some water.
Right, this little thing.
This is guys really.
At least it's not Dasani.
If this is not Airhead water.
Yeah.
Guys, look how long this straw is compared to the cup. Like,
And why did they try to give me the wrong drink? They're not slick. I should be the manager like Bryce said. So I was like, this is not how it goes. Thank you. I promise they're not slick. I promise this is not the right drink still. I'm gonna just take it. Because obviously they don't want to deal with it. You know what? The Starbucks right here, somebody docs it. They're not tea.
The manager because why was he in there clocking everyone?
They're not tea because all they did was switch this cup and put some caramel around it. They're not slick. They're not slick. This is not my caramel ribbon crunch cream fry. This is not it. Let's try this. Not caramel ribbon crunch cream fry. This is how it tastes when it's watered down. This is exactly how it tastes when it's watered down. They're not slick. Look at me. Look at me.
I'm a million. I
What? I just drank a chunk of caramel.
Buy your card.
Buzz. Arigato.
Arigato gozaimasu. I mean, I have one. Kimara has one.
Bro, what is this?
Who doesn't have one?
You can pay for that. Go.
Malik, you got yours?
Yeah.
She was a fan.
Michael, can you hold this, please?
Thank you. Let me tap. Bro, I thought it was just supposed to be nice and good for me.
Imagine falling down here. That would be so scary.
What? Anyways, guys, I miss Japan every day. This train station, well, this one's dirty. Japan was clean and tea, and there were vending machines. There would have been a vending machine right there in Japan. So, yeah, but I miss Japan every day.
A tornado flew around my room before you
No, it's so cute. And then there's Malik.
doesn't rain. Southern California, much like Arizona. I don't check tears before they roll, but I'm thinking about you.
This is not Japan. This is not. It's on live. We're on the train. Now we can do our fit checks. Edge reveal. 3, 2, 1.
It's
My ponytail's not up high enough. BRB. Do not fall behind, because there's really something right by you. Right.
I got it.
You're not Michael Jackson, boy. You are not Michael Jackson. Watch me whip.
I know since you think I don't love you, I just thought you were cute. That's why I kiss you. Got a fighter jet, I don't get to fly. Thinking about you. Thinking about you. Cute,
In that move all summer. Hey. Me and you went to and back just to find you. And I thought I had everything.
raining. Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy, they pour when I'm thinking about you. Ooh, no. I've been thinking about you. You, no. I've been